Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the identity verification failed error on Coinbase in 2026. Are you getting the identity verification failed message on Coinbase? Don't panic, here's exactly how to fix it step by step. Now before we start, this is the error you might be encountering. As it says, it has this window that says verify your identity, your verification failed. We weren't able to verify your identity for the following reasons. Please click here for more information. And it gives you this message explaining that the verification has failed and to make sure the information entered are correct. PO boxes and business addresses are not accepted. So, to fix this issue, the first thing you want to do is check your personal details. Make sure to log in to Coinbase by going to coinbase.com and make sure you sign in the website. And after you sign in, or you can sign in the application, after that, you're gonna go and click on the settings. You're gonna click on the settings and click on personal informations here under the section personal infos. And make sure your name, date of birth, and address exactly matches your government-issued ID. Even small spelling differences can cause failure. Second step is to use a supported ID. Make sure you're uploading a valid passport and also a driver's license, depending on what Coinbase accepts in your country. Also, make sure to retake ID photos properly. Take photos in bright, natural lighting and avoid glare, shadows, blur, or cropped edges. And place your ID on a dark background for better contrast. And also make sure to update the app or use the desktop. If verification keeps failing on mobile, try using desktop or browsers instead. And also upload using strong Wi-Fi to prevent submission errors. And if multiple attempts fail, submit a support ticket and include clear images. Make sure to never edit or filter your ID photos. Altered images are automatically rejected. And that's it. That's how you fix the identity verification fail on Coinbase in 2026. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.